Hi guys, this is Simply Simeon. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Udemy courses for free. Now, some of you want to learn skills and you don't know where to get comprehensive tutorials on how to work on what you want to learn. You don't know how to get comprehensive video guides on how to do exactly what you want to. And some of you who already know about Udemy know that when you go to Udemy, you have to pay to get this. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get these paid courses for free. I mean, getting these paid courses at $0. I'm going to show you exactly how you will do it. I'm going to show you exactly where to go and get everything for free. So guys, without wasting much time, let's go down into my laptop screen and let me show you the two methods you are going to be using to get these Udemy courses for free. Alright guys, so on my screen, and without wasting time at all, let's just go straight to business. So the website we are going to be using is this Udemy. That's the name of the website, this Udemy. Okay, let me enter the URL there. You can see the URL there, thisudemy.com. Let's click on enter. Let's give it time to load. Alright, we have the website here. Now, I told you there are going to be two methods we are going to use. First method is the coupons method, and second method is the getting general free courses. Now, let me explain these two methods. The method which involves coupons, this is a method that these courses are actually not free. The courses are not free, but at this very point in time, with this very coupon now, they are free. I hope you get the difference. This very point in time and with this very coupon, now this course is going to be free for you. But under the category method, under the category which is just general free courses, these courses are going, I won't say they are always going to be free, but they have been free for a while now on Udemy. They have been free, and so the only thing this website has helped us do is it has helped us to gather them all in one place. Now you might not see these courses when you go to Udemy. You have to search and search for it, but this website here has helped us gather these courses in one place. So we're going to first go to the all coupons method. So we're going to first take the coupons method. Now let's open this in a new tab. I don't want to close this page, so let's open this in a new tab. Give it time to load as usual. Okay, so here we have our website. We have the all coupons method. So now all we need to do is click on one of these links. I don't want to also close this, so I'm going to open this in a new tab. Okay, let's give it time to load completely. My network here is usually not so perfect. Okay, so now this has loaded, and so let's go down, click on take course. All right, so now this has opened, and before we go down into the URL that is given here, you can see the URL. Let me highlight it. You can see the URL here. I don't want to go down immediately, so I'll first of all copy this coupon code. Now look at the coupon at the end of the URL. That's the coupon. Now I'll click on the URL here. Wait for it to load. Right now guys, you can see here it's telling us that usually this course is about okay, I'm a Nigerian, so it's actually giving me the price tag in naira. This is 4,500. Yeah, but you can convert that to dollars, and I don't know, I don't want to go over that, but you can convert that and check the price at the usual price at that level. Okay, I don't want to go over the price conversion and all that, but all you need to know is this very course is free now with this very coupon, and it's saying here 3 days left. So after 3 days, I don't know if the seller will extend it, but there are chances the seller might not. So if you actually want this very course, then you should get it now. It's free, like you're not using any money to buy it. It's totally free. So this is how you get the course. Add it to cart, or you click on enroll, and that, okay, I've not logged in, but you do that when you want to actually get the course. Now the second method, let's go back to the home page of this Udemy. Second method is the category method, and let's open this in a new category. Okay, so now this category method is going to show us courses. Now it's going to actually categorize them. Now if you want something under web development, you look here, and under here you start checking for what you want. If you want something under graphic design, under network system, under, and okay, it has a general category which is called others. Okay, now so I actually want a course under WordPress. Let's click on WordPress. Okay, we have courses under WordPress here. Let me click on the first one. Should I click on the first one? Okay, let me click on the second one. Actually, let me click on this. Okay, it has opened the course for me. Let me go down, click on take course. Okay, and then let's click on the URL. Here the coupon, I think, is already free, totally free. It has always been free, so let me just click here and go straight to the course. Alright, so now you can see here this course is also free and you can do whatever you want with the course. Take it, but I advise you to be very conscious. Make sure you take the courses here, make sure you make use of these free courses. They are going to help you build a little skill that can get you something out there to be able to invest in yourself and learn premium skills that are a bit expensive out there. So guys, this is just the end of this video. If you enjoy my work, if you enjoy my videos, if you are this is the first time seeing me here, go down, subscribe to my channel. Just say if you don't have any question, if you have a question, I'm going to welcome questions. Drop the question in the comment section below. If it's something I can answer in the comment section, I will go there and answer. If it's something that requires making a video, I'm sure going to notify you that I will make a video on what you are asking. But if you don't have any question, if you enjoy this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you can just say Udemy free courses in the comment section, or you can just say thank you, and I'm going to really appreciate that. I'm going to reply to every single comment on this very video. So go down there, drop a comment, and you will definitely get a reply from me. Thank you guys.